Hi, I'm Hanandyo. This is the class of technology-based language teaching methodology. The main objective of this study is to analytically learn English as a foreign language teaching methodologies and search possibilities to use technology to support the teaching methodologies. In the previous meeting, we have discussed some teaching methodologies, and this recent video focuses on the audiolingual method and Audacity. The audiolingual method is a foreign language teaching methodology, in this case teaching English in EFL context. This language teaching method emphasizes the language skills following the natural language acquisition, which are listening, speaking, reading, and writing successively. Language expressions are taught using dialogues, and the instructors drill the language learners with the use of expressions and/or certain sentence structures. Extensive use of the target language is encouraged in the classroom. Diane Larson Freeman and the U.S. Information Agency produced a video demonstrating the audio-legal method with Michael Gerard, which you can watch in the link provided here. Watch the video and then discuss what you can do to enrich the teaching using Audacity. Audacity is an open audio editing application so that you can download it for free. I really appreciate the volunteers who developed this awesome application. Based on the drill approach applied in the audiolingual method, I will demonstrate silencing part of a dialogue to drill the learners with the expression in the dialogue.
Now we are going to learn Audacity. So click Audacity, the icon there, and then it's going to show up Audacity. Just click OK there, and after that you can open MP3 files. In this case, I have downloaded MP3 file, and then the way you open the file can be two ways actually, but I'll show you the one that is dragging MP3 file into Audacity. So you just open the folder where you save your MP3, and then you just drag your file into Audacity, and then you can see with files there. Then block it and click file, hit file there, and I'd like to have it in the new Windows of Audacity. So file and then open new and add. I will choose it into stereo, so track and then choose the stereo, so that when you paste this in file and then paste, see you have stereo now. You can see that previously it was mono and then now it is stereo. So stereo consists of two tracks there in one file. Then I can narrow it down there. Then I'd like to copy this track because we need to have 3 files for our practice. So click edit and then copy and then paste that way. So the white track means that this track is active, and other way to copy is duplicate. So see, when you duplicate the track, then the active track will be duplicated. So now we have 3 tracks, and now let's have a look at the left hand side. You can see there is solo, mute, and then audio track, solo, mute, solo. Yeah, audio track there. You can name the track, yeah, and click that, and then I'd like to name it as full because it's going to be the full dialogue. Then the second track is female because I'd like to keep the female voice. The last one, name it as male because I'd like to keep the male voice there. So we've got three tracks now: male, female, and full. Now the icon there, solo, means that when I click solo, then the others, I mean other tracks will be muted. Now we've got one track that is active. The female track is active, and I'd like to block it and silence the male voice. Then you can see that the note there, 2 something, means that that's the duration of track that is silence. Now listen and then find out other male part, and I silence it again. So the duration is 3 seconds. I silence it. See, 3 seconds, and okay. Then the 3 second silence. Yeah, I think we've done for that. Now click solo for the male voice. Yeah, and block the female voice. Then do the same, generate silence, and okay, block other voice, the female voice, then generate silence, and okay. Then you've got three tracks now, three files later, to be the full, and then male and female. Now export to mp3. So solo one that we are going to save it into mp3 and then name it. I'd like to name it as full there for full dialogues and export it into mp3. Then okay, now click solo for the female track and then file, export as mp3, and then give name for this track as female and then save. Then okay, then it is exported as mp3, and the last one, solo, the male track, and file, export as mp3, name it as male, and then save. Then okay, it is exported as mp3 now. Yeah, so you have those files somewhere in where you saved the files are, and then it actually, if you like to save your project, you can just save the project and then you will have the wave file like this. But I don't want to, just close, and I don't want to save it. This is the original one. I just close it. Yeah, because I think we can just open mp3 files and then drag it into Audacity. Then it's going to be in the form of waveform. So I don't think we need those wave tracks
in this case. All right, see you next time. Bye bye.